Everyone, welcome to Flash Express presentation. By the way, I'm Alex, one of the business development supervisor at Flash Express head office. Before we begin, I would like to introduce our company. Flash Express is an integrated e-commerce logistic and delivery service provider originally established in Thailand back in 2017, and Flash Express launched here in the Philippines in August 2021. And as you can see, meron na rin po tayo sa Malaysia, Indonesia, Laos, Vietnam, and China. And as of 2024, meron na po tayong 56 hub, 900 distribution center nationwide, 95% serviceable area na din po si Flash Express. And meron na tayong 40,000 plus employees nationwide. And as of October 2024, meron na tayong total of 3,000 plus branches nationwide. As of now, wala pong franchise fee na ino-offer si Flash Express. Ito po ang dalawang packages na ino-offer ni Flash to start your own business. For the package A, meron po tayong 7,999, and for package B, meron tayong 17,999. And the difference of these two packages po ay ang materials fee, deposit fee at service fee monthly. As you can see, si 799 may monthly fee na 500 pesos. So ayun, and ano nga ba ang monthly fee na 500 pesos? Ito po ang monthly payment natin sa system ni Flash Express once mag-start na po tayo mag-operate. And ang deposit fee po ay ang makukuha natin once ayaw na po nating mag-continue sa partnership with Flash. And si Flash Express din po, if ever i-avail yung 7,999, di ba may monthly fee ito? Pwede po itong ma-waive within 3 months if nakapagpadala po tayo ng 30 parcels. Okay? So, ito din po yung mga materials inclusion ng package na ino-offer namin. So, as you can see, sa 799, wala siyang kasamang thermal printer, while sa 17,999 meron pong kasamang thermal, and wala pong thermal hook scale si 799, and meron na pong kasamang thermal print hook scale si 17,999. And for the requirements, so ito yung first set requirements natin, DTI or SEC. If ever na may existing business tayo, pwede nyong i-provide na po yan sa mga account handler natin. So, kahit hindi siya in line with logistic po, okay lang naman po. And also, 2 valid IDs with signature, photo of your branch inside and outside view. And to follow na po yung business permit, BIR, and invoice natin. But make sure if ever po hindi in line yung BIR natin or yung DTI natin sa logistic service po, make sure sa BIR po, magpa-add-on tayo ng line of business which is in line sa logistic services. Like courier services, parcel handling, and drop-off point po. So, yan yung mga inline sa logistic. Okay? For the other requirements, ito hindi na po kasama sa inclusion ng package natin. So, kailangan po natin ng webcam for taking customer's ID card before sending the parcel. Also, needed din po natin ng weighing scale. Should be more than 50 kg para if ever po na may magpadala ng bulky parcel, ayan, you need to weigh that parcel po. And also, parcel boxes and tape scale. And as of now po, ang needed natin na laptop or desktop po is Windows 10 or 11 po. As of now, hindi po supported yung system sa MacBook or Apple po, Apple devices. Okay? And syempre, other requirements po, kailangan natin ng space, minimum of 5 square meters. Okay? Hindi bababa sa 5 square meters. And also, CCTV, also for your security purposes na din po. Ayan, hindi naman to required. Pero if ever na din na along the highway tayo, and if ever may loss or stolen parcel po tayo, at least meron po tayong proof for your claims. Okay? And also, internet connection po. Internet connection at least 5 Mbps internet speed po. Okay? And for the layout, ito yung mga existing partner natin. Not necessarily naman, ganito yung magiging layout ng branch. So if ever na may existing business ka and ayaw mong ipa-renovate, signage lang sa labas ni Flash, okay lang, wala pong problema. But if ever na gusto mong ganito yung magiging layout ng branch mo, okay lang din po. So much better yun kasi syempre, 'di ba, visible or mas kita ng mga potential client natin yung branch nyo. So, ayan. Mas madaming mag-walk-in sa inyo. So, how to earn money with Flash Express? So, first, as a business partner, you will receive a 20% commission on every parcel and 1% commission on every COD transaction. So, naka-base yung amount ng commission natin sa shipping fee ng item. So, let's example, may nagpadala po sa inyo 100 pesos po yung amount ng shipping fee. So, 20% of that 100, yun po yung magiging profit share ninyo with Flash. And pwede pa tong umangat up to 40%. Depende po sa parcel volume ninyo or sa performance ng branch ninyo. And for the 1% naman, ito yung declared value or COD amount ng parcel. So, let's say may nagpadala sa inyo amount 1,000 pesos. Okay? 1% of that 1,000, yun po yung magiging commission natin or magiging profit share natin. So, in total, meron po tayong 21%. Okay? So, ito yung sample computation. So, yun nga, like what I said, kung may nagpadala sa inyo, ang shipping fee is 100 pesos. Ayan. Ang sa atin dyan is 20%. So, 20 pesos. Aside from that, kung ang declared amount sa COD is 1,000 pesos, meron pa tayong 1% commission dyan. That's 10 pesos. So, in total, sa isang parcel lang, meron tayong 30 pesos. Okay? Per transaction lang to. And as of now, partner na po tayo ni Shopee, TikTok, and Lazada. So, per parcel po, 3 pesos yung commission natin dito. Okay? And qualified lang po tayo na maging DOP ni Shopee, TikTok, and Lazada if nakapag-submit po tayo ng BIR 2303 and invoice that inline na po sa logistic service. Okay? So, make sure to comply that requirement. Additional income po ito, selling of materials. 'Di ba? If nakapagpadala na kayo sa other competitor, ayan, for the materials po, ang boxes nila, if needed ng boxes yung pinadala ninyo, hindi naman po free. So, depende po sa magiging markup na ninyo. So, let's say, yung small box na bili nyo ng 10 pesos, pwede nyo siyang ibenta ng 15 to 20 pesos. So, depende na sa magiging markup ninyo. Kayo na po magdi-decide yun. And this one, optional lang po to. Okay, delivery to DC. So, if ever po na may vehicle po tayo and you are interested to deliver your parcel to your nearest distribution center, okay lang. Okay, pero if ever naman na ayaw nyo, dahil konti lang yung parcel natin, let's say 5 lang, ayan, 10, pwede nyong ipa-pick up sa rider natin. Kasi, di ba partner naman tayo with Flash, so automatically may magpipick up naman sa inyo. Pero if ever na volume tayo and you are interested to drop your parcel to the nearest distribution center, okay lang po. So, ito yung magiging commission natin. So, if ever po na 1 to 5 kilometer radius tayo from our DC, ang commission natin is 1.50 per parcel. And for 6 to 10 kilometer radius naman po, ang commission natin is 2 pesos per parcel. And 10 up radius po, 2.50 per parcel po yung commission natin. And for the last mile delivery, ito. For the last mile delivery, if ever po na Flashhome partner na tayo and you are interested po na pumasok as a last mile delivery natin, pwede po as long as available sa location nyo. So if ever na interested po kayo dito, meron po itong risk deposit na 10,000 pesos. Okay? So, ayan, ito naman po yung commission, magiging commission natin per parcel. So, if 0 to 3 kilogram, ang commission po natin is 20 pesos. 3 to 5 kilogram, 30 pesos, up to 80 pesos ang magiging commission natin. Okay, maximum of 80 pesos po yung magiging commission natin. So, ayan. So, you need to notify us if ever na interested po kayo for last mile delivery. And if ever po soon, partner na po tayo ni Flash Express, pwede po tayo mag-refer kung may inquire po sa inyo sa Facebook page nyo, relatives nyo, friends, ayan, pwede nyo pong i-refer sa amin. And kami na po yung tatawag sa kanila. Once maging business partner po natin tong ni-refer nyo, meron po tayo yung 4,000 referral bonus kung saan papasok po ito sa system balance natin, pwede nyong pambili ng materials. Okay? And 4+1. So, if ever ngayon interested po tayo mag-open ng 4 branches, meron po tayong isang branches na free. Okay? Isang branch na free. And ito, valid din for, let's say, ngayong buwan, 2 lang yung na-open or isa natin. And next month, 3. Ayan. Within 3 months naman po, pwede po tayong qualified naman po tayo dito sa 4+1. Okay? So, ito yung sample computation natin sa income or sa ROI po natin. So, di ba 20% po yung commission natin with Flash? Ayan. So, if ever na nag-average po kayo ng 100 parcel a day and nag-ooperate po kayo ng 30 days, and ang shipping fee po is 79, pwede po tayong kumita up to 47,400. And wala pa dyan yung COD if ever pa. Yung parcel na to, itong 100 parcel na to is merong COD. Okay, and then ang amount is 1,000 pesos. May 1% ka doon, tama? So, i-times lang po natin sa parcel natin or days na nag-ooperate, and also times sa 30% times 1%, meron pa tayong 9,000 pesos commission. And if ever nakakapag-refer po tayo monthly ng 3 branches, ayan, so meron po tayong commission na 12,000 pesos. And additional incentive, meron tayong 5,000 worth of material. So, in total, pwede tayong kumita monthly ng 73,400. Okay? So, sample computation lang po to. Kasi, kay Flash Express, wala naman po kaming quota. So, nakadepende po yung kita natin sa parcel volume ninyo. So, kung mas madaming parcel, syempre, mas malaki po yung kita natin. Sample computation lang po to. Okay, for the life of a parcel naman po, ayan, kayo po ito, Flashhome ito. So, once may nagpadala, kayo po yung magpapak ng parcel po nila, kayo magre-receive, and at the end of the day po, may pupunta po sa inyong rider. Si rider, pipick upin yung parcel nyo sa branch. Si rider na po magdadala sa distribution natin. And it comes with the delivery po for last mile. Kami na din po magdi-deliver ng parcel kay consignee. But if ever naman na interested po kayo for last mile delivery, heads up nyo lang po kami. I-check namin yung location nyo if available po ang last mile delivery nyo. But if ever na you are not interested po, kami po kami na po bahala magdi-deliver ng parcel ni consignee since partner naman po tayo with Flash Express. Okay? So, ayan, if ever po na you are interested, pwede nyo pong iscan tong QR code na to. Once makapag-sign up po tayo, may tatawagan ko po kayo and isa-send ko sa inyo yung video presentation, business proposal, and yung step-by-step process po ni Flash Express. Okay? And if ever na makapag-sign up po tayo within 3 days, makakakuha po tayo ng 5,000 worth of coupons. Itong coupons na ito, pwede nyo pong additional discount sa mga clients ninyo. So, i-discuss naman po kung paano tong special promo po once mag-operate na tayo, okay? So, if ever may additional question kayo, clarification, gusto nyong i-visit po si Flash Express, you can visit us here in Robinson Cyber Sigma. Dito lang po sa Loton of Fort Bonifacio, Taguig po. Ayan, and here's my contact number po. Ayan. Okay, thank you so much for attending this presentation.